the UK in my place. Thanks Alona for visiting me. So lalakad ko na si Alona sa Emsworth. Maglakad na kami. Ay, yung brother niya. And Neil is coming. So tinutour niya mother-in-law ko.
Like
Hindi
you
pwede.
you can rent this one. Yeah. But it's
Tinutour
beautiful.
siya
Yeah.
sa garden niya. Tinutour si Alona. Let's go. Ay, yung greenhouse niya, mayroon siyang kamatis dyan. sa
Yeah, we
kanan.
have a lot of tomatoes. There.
Ay, sandali, ani tulak da.
Going. I don't think there's any just yet. Oh, I didn't need that first.
No, because I get something. I get something.
Yes, he built that one, but I bought that one.
Pwedeng makatulog yung isang tao dito. Summer lang, nga lang kasi may bed. So I put half of the washing line.
Have you put your washing in there?
Yeah, you have space. I only use half. Because,
Very nice.
yeah.
Matanda.
Ayan na, my friends in Myanmar. This is my old friend from Myanmar visiting me in England, Alona. So now I'm gonna give her a tour around Emsworth where I live. Tara.
Yeah, cha-cha.
Yeah. Dito na kami guys sa Gunwolf. Napasyal ko itong turista galing sa Amerika. Pumunta sa Inglaterra. Good morning. I give a tour my friend Alona for first time visiting me in England. She live in America and she is my friend Micah and Jackie. Shout out. Ito yun si Alona o binisita niya ako dito sa Emsworth. So tinutur ko siya sa Gunwolf. Judy, nakita na yata niya yung friend niya. Ayan, yung Spinnacle Tower. Jude, si Alona pumunta dito sa sa binisita niya ako ng just one night. So pinapasyal ko siya dito sa Gunwolf. Ayan. May namit na naman siyang Pilipina.